In this video I'm going to show you how to change Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat application and here at the top left hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Now here I got my Bitmoji, and to edit it all I have to do is to hit there at gear icon, then hit here at Bitmoji and then select edit my Bitmoji. Now it opens up with hairstyle editor, and now I can simply select any hairstyle that I want. That's quite a big list of hairstyles, and let's say I like that one. Now here I can tap on that icon and change hair color in any color that I want. Let it be that one, and also here I can tap on that sign and adjust hair treatment. And when I have finished editing my hairstyle, I can hit there at save button to save my Bitmoji hairstyle. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.